How to switch receipt to off on WhatsApp. Whenever you opened the chat on your WhatsApp and check the message info, you can find read and delivered receipt. So if you are tired of people seeing those blue check marks, want a little more privacy on WhatsApp? Here's exactly how to turn your read receipts off. Let's get started. First, open your WhatsApp application. This applies to both the personal and business versions. Next, go to the Settings menu located at the bottom right corner of the screen. In the menu, scroll down and tap on Privacy to access your privacy preferences. Then, scroll toward the bottom until you find the Read Receipts option. Simply toggle the switch off to disable read receipts for your personal chats. That's it. You've successfully turned off your read receipts.
If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share to support our growth.